Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to remove the access your connected app with the Claude AI. So guys, if you want to remove your connected app with the cloud, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, here you see like this is my cloud. So you simply go to the option of your customize. Here, after clicking here, you see the option of connect your app. Okay, now you just click on it. Now here you see the plus icon application means that you are not connected, and here you see that there is one application like Canva in my account shows the setting icon, so it's mean that it is connected with my Cloud AI account. Okay, so you just click on this setting icon. After that guys, here it automatically show the disconnect link. Okay, so you just click disconnect and remove it. Okay, so now here you see you go back, refresh once and go to the connect your app, and guys here you see now it shows the plus icon. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can remove the access from your applications from your Cloud AI. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.